Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be talking about which are the best budget iPhone apps that you should definitely use in the year of 2024. So let's start the video and see the top budgeting apps. Whether it is managing your personal finances or doing personal budgeting, or if you want to see your monthly reports of your expenses in pie charts or graphs, or let's just say you want to manage your personal finance effectively, then these 5 best apps are a must know for you. So let's start with the first app, that is Goodbudget, the budget and finance app. It is a money manager and expense tracker app designed for personal budgeting, as it assists you in being top of your budget, bills and finances. The simple real-time budget and finance tracking makes it one of the best expense trackers app. And with this app, you can also share your budget with your other budgeting partners as well. And there are some other key features of the app as well. And the data in the app is automatically and securely backed up on Goodbudget's website. You can also save time by using intelligent pay and category suggestions. You can also analyze your spending with various types of spending charts, and also you can easily export all of your transactions in the CSV file as well. So plan your finances ahead of time with this cool app. On the second number, we have the Monefy app, which is a budget manager and expense tracker app. This app makes tracking daily purchases, bills and anything that you spend your money on more enjoyable. And it's also one of the best money saving apps for assisting users with better financial management. It tracks all of your expenses and compares them with the monthly income and the budget planner. And it has also got an intuitive and simple to use interface so that you can keep all of your records easily. You can also back up and export personal finance data just with a single click. There's also passcode protection, spending distribution on simple charts, and also a built-in calculator to crunch your numbers. Alright, on the third number we have Wallet app, which is an all-in-one app, be it money, budget, finance or expense. With this app, you can automatically track your daily expenses just by syncing your bank account. You can also view weekly expense reports, plan your expenses, and you can also share the specific features of this app with your loved ones. The transactions here are automatically and securely synced, and then they are intelligently categorized and budgeted. You can also see simple graphs to dive deep in your finances, be it bank account, credit card, debit card, or even cash. And there are other features as well which are also included, such as multiple currencies, automatic cloud sync and export to CSV files. Okay, so on the fourth number we have the Money Manager app, as this app makes managing personal finances very much easy. You can easily record any type of transactions, be it personal or business. You can also generate spending reports, review your daily, weekly or monthly financial data, and you can also manage all type of your assets with the Money Manager spending tracker. And this app also applies double entry bookkeeping accounting system. It also shows your budget and expenses simultaneously in graphs so that you can make suitable financial decisions in future. And in addition, you can also manage salary, insurance, term deposit and loan just with this app, just by setting automatic transfer and recurrence. Okay, on the fifth and last number we have Spendee app, which is a money and budget planner. And it is a free budgeting app that is loved by almost 3 million people around the world by tracking their spendings and optimizing their budget. And just seeing all of your financial habits in one app makes it easier for you to make goals and stick to them, and also be organized in what's important financially. You can connect Spendee with online banking, e-wallets and even crypto as well if you are interested in crypto. And here all of your financial data is automatically categorized, displayed in simple infographics, stylish graphs and clever insights, which will definitely help you in making a proper financial plan for the future. And apart from this, there are other features as well, such as multiple currencies, labels so that you can mark and analyze your transactions, and also there's shared finances, dark mode and secure data sync as well. So what's the wait? Embrace your financial awareness with this video right now. So let's become the best in managing personal finances and building a safe and secure emergency fund. And with that, these were the best 5 budgeting apps that you should definitely try right now on your iPhone, and the links of all of these apps will be in the description, so do check them out. And with that, if you've reached here, definitely hit a like on our video, share it with your friends and family, comment down below your thoughts, and of course don't forget to subscribe to iGeeksblog. And having said that, I'll see you guys in the next video.